If you were a bird, would you sing a happy or a sad song? The Singing Bird. Chirpy the bird creates a song every dawn. She speaks to the sky, reads the breeze, and allows her wings to soar. She adds a twirl, spends the day flying, and opens her beak wide. Chirpy walks along branches, wins the highest perch, and offers a tune. She flutters, dives, and glides through the trees. Movement is her music. She swoops low, climbs high, and dances in the air. Chirpy lifts off again, twists mid-flight, and lands softly. By dusk, her song fades, but she's happy. Chirpy rests her wings, dreaming of tomorrow's flight. Singing and moving make her free every day.
Subscribe to Club English for more.